Accidentally turned it off. Where is it? Where'd it go? Oh, there it is. Right there. She didn't want to come.
Hopefully it doesn't stop. Sure. I know. It looks like it's gonna be big.
Ugh, my hands are really cold.
My freaking legs are cold.
That's what you get for wearing shorts.
Dude, I want to see if that fart thing works.
Oh,
It does,
it does.
It does. How do you know? Because
Because we've seen it on videos.
it's scientifically proven. Because you have like a gas in your farts.
Methane
Yeah.
is flammable.
Yeah. It's methane. Oh, nigga, this shit smells.
No, that's
To the side. Ah, fuck.
We're going to end up breaking the ozone layer.
And then as soon as I put my hands,
Put more stuff on top.
like rocks.
Rocks aren't flammable, dumbass.
You're flammable, bitty boy.
I'm recording this, Mark. A knife.
Don't put it on yet. Hold on.
It's dying though.
Tear it into pieces. There's a knife on the floor. That way you can just add if it's coming down or something.
What was that? Oh, it's just.
Oh, where's the knife? Get the knife.
Got it. Shit.
Look at this.
Hold on. Let me just switch it.
Hold up. Right there, go. There.
Shank.
I'm gonna shake your fucking face, nigga.
Wait, what? There we go.
Alright. Chill, come back. Oh, wait, hold up, chill. Don't come back here. Wait, get the knife just in case, because I might need it.
I'm trying to do something.
Yeah, hey, come.
Come in.
Leave at 9:30? 9 o'clock. There, you're good.
There's nothing else to do, dog.
Yes, there is. Dog.
Well, you want it? You're the first one I want to leave.
No. You're
Alright,
lying.
go, throw it. Yeah, you're good.
You're about to stab him and shit.
No.
That's the point.
Oh.
Damn, strong.
Now this is the point.
We need to add some on that side.
Let me go. When do I let
Oh,
go?
my hands are really cold. You only have 12 minutes. Dude.
Was it getting caught? Is it lit?
Yeah,
Hmm?
a little bit.
Wait. It's going up to the side.
Is this wet?
Put it down. There's already fires near you. Hand.
Like I'm trying to get it to get on this side.
Watch.
Hey, Peter boy, bro,
What?
look over here. I need. Is this dry? Feel it?
No, fuck.
Huh?
Is it dry?
Yes, it's dry. You don't know when grass is dry or not?
No,
Yeah, it's green.
according to you.
According to the scientists.
I'm not a scientist yet.
Oh, sorry, sir.
My hands are really cold. Nah, that isn't dry grass.
I know, but the top is dry.
Oh.
Burning the top.
Echo!
Dude, over there on the other side, you can hear your echo like super loud.
Yeah.
Really? Did you hear the firework pop?
From over there, I don't know.
Nah, I don't think so.
No.
No.
You're not putting it in dry grass. Ah!
That thing is good.
Look, Mike,
Mark, light the grass on fire.
We're gonna end up burning this place down.
We need to get the grass on fire.
Yeah,
Oh shit, you're gonna light a firework!
Oh, I didn't. Oh, yeah, I didn't even see that. That shit hasn't even lit up yet.
Oh yeah, it hasn't lit up yet. It's gonna.
You'll be able to hit.
Oh!
Oh, did they?
Oh, that's. Oh, okay.
There's another one in there though.
No, there isn't. Oh, there is. Oh, wait. I don't see it.
You still got another one of those?
Yeah, she does.
Throw it, like as far as you can.
Look, look. He has a shitload. Come, Mark, come.
Yeah, leave those over there. I'm gonna light these up one by one.
One by one.
Watch it, 'cause it's actually gonna burn you.
Mark got scared.
I wasn't expecting it. Now I'm gonna expect something.
Yeah, expect something.
No,
Yeah.
mames, güey.
I know. Look at that. They still got like a shitload of more. Like it's like 100 feet tall, wide, tall. Oh, that sucks. I want to do it right there. Damn, that echo.
Dude, if we do it over there, I think it'll be louder.
Probably.
We did one of these, but it went over the edge and it got wet.
Oh yeah, he lit up a bottle rocket and it went this way and it was like an inch away from hitting me.
That is smart. What he's doing? What's he doing?
Coyotes? Did you hear that?
They should be coming out like at 11:30.
Coyotes?
Yeah, they come out through here.
Do they eat people?
Oh,
Tell them more.
they eat people with butt cheeks.
Pretty boy. What thick butt cheeks at?
Little boy. Shut up. Oh shit! Hey, you said you'd light it one at a time.
Do it.
No, we're gonna get Destiny mad and we're gonna get in trouble.
Why is this thing?
Why-
Oh, I know
Because
it's
she-
loud, right?
She won't let us.
Why is she gonna get mad?
Mark, you guys get so scared.
In my eye.
Throw it over there. Throw it. Light one and throw it over there.
Well, I want to throw it into the water. It sounds cool.
That's cool.
I know.
Oh my god.
Oh shit! Why would you do that? You scared the shit out of me. You said you light up one at a time.
More than half.
What the hell?
Dude, it sounded cool when it was like doing.
I know.
Fire's going out. Oh yeah, the fire is going out.
Put these.
Don't knock that one down.
He almost did.
Yeah, I almost did. There we go.
Let's go too.
Did that scare you?
Get away! Get out of here!
Sorry.
That was actually. It was alright.
I like it.
I like how it sounded when it was like doing. I think you went to go get more.
Smells
Huh?
good, dog.
I got you. Ah, I can't see.
Fucking smells good.
Put them more up.
Try to put it under, that way it'll light up under.
Yeah, put it under.
Hey Brandon, do you need the gas in your car?
What
Oh shit, I'm cold.
You don't have no gas?
Yes.
Are you low though?
I was low, but the money that Justin gave me, it went up. I told you, mate. Remember it said still 30 miles? Or like 30 miles, remember? It came up to 80 something, but right now it's on 77 miles.
Ah, that warmed me up a little bit. Oh shit. I think there was an extra firework in there.
Right there, Mike. Right there.
Pop.
Is this wet?
Oh, look at
There's
this.
another
It's a
one.
it's a little bit wet.
All right.
Nephew. Oh, this is dry grass, right?
Well, some of it is not, but yeah, most of it is.
Mark, stop real quick. There you go.
Fart on it, Mark.
Yeah, far. A big line all the way over there. Just, it's not. It's a string, not the spray.
Oh yeah.
The hell? That was another firework. Put it on this wood right here, because it's not catching on fire.
It's wet.
Yeah, it kind of is.
Yeah, we told you, but then you forgot. Or you forgot.
Shut it up.
Anti-quote.
No go.
I'm getting on this bottom part.
No go. Watch me get on fire.
Hey, all of it. Mostly all of it's not dry.
True.
Keep warm, nigga. My eyes, nigga.
Yeah, that happened to me twice.
What? What? Right here. Like a little.